Medical biotechnology is a branch of biotechnology that focuses on using living cell, biological system, and cellular components to develop products and technology for diagnosis, treating, and preventing human diseases. It integrates knowledge from various scientific fields such as cell biology, genetic, molecular biology, nanotechnology, and bioinformatics to advance the healthcare and medicine. At its core, medical biotechnology involves manipulating biological material like DNA, protein, and cell to create diagnostic tool, therapeutic drug, vaccine, and regenerative treatment, etc. For example, insulin for diabetes, monoclonal antibodies for cancer therapy, and mRNA vaccine for infectious diseases are all product of medical biotechnology. Here are the key areas within the medical biotechnology. The number one is pharmacogenomics and personalized medicine, which is customizing medical treatment to an individual biological profile, thus improving drug effectiveness and reducing side effects. The another significant one is gene therapy, which is repairing or replacing the faulty gene responsible for diseases, often using advanced techniques like CRISPR-Cas gene editing. Moreover, stem cell therapy and regenerative medicine, by using stem cell to regenerate damaged tissue or organ, which offers hope for conditions like spinal cord injuries or degenerative disease. The another one is molecular diagnostic, employing techniques such as PCR and DNA sequencing to detect diseases at the molecular level, which enable earlier detection and more accurate diagnosis. And lastly, biopharmaceutical, which is producing therapeutic protein, enzymes, and vaccine using engineered cells or microorganisms, which revolutionizes the treatment of a wide range of diseases. Medical biotechnology also plays a vital role in developing rapid diagnostic kits, biosensor, artificial organs, and advanced medical devices, which is transforming the healthcare domain. Medical biotechnology is the application of biological science and technology to improve human health by creating innovative solutions for disease prevention, diagnosis, and treatment. It is a dynamic and interdisciplinary field that continues to drive major advances in modern medicine.